Yes, sir. Lekker family lava. Yeah, boy. Moose Nation, we're really out here. The boys just pulled up right now, and we about to tear this up, you heard? Yo, New York City 2018 Blizzard, let's get it. Moose Nation in the cut. Yeah, what's up? Yeah. Moose Nation, what is up? It's your boy Mustafa, the boy Sergio, Basso in the car. Yo, what a way to start the day, man. 2018 New York City Blizzard, let's get it. Just know,
this guy can't stop.
It's about to be over.
You can't, bro. Look, you just stopped. No, you can't stop, bro. Yes, you can. No, you can't, bro.
Yes, you can. He was going 2 miles an hour.
Stop.
I was doing 40. Of course you can't stop.
Moose Nation, you guys are like, wait, hold up, Big Moose.
Oh, can you stop? I'm going down the hill. Yeah.
Alright. Well, no use of foul language on Moose Nation vlog. Yo, you already know this is gonna be fun.
So you already know guy gets called a couple times.
So you guys are like, wait, hold up, Big Moose? Isn't that the kid that you destroyed in the diss track? Isn't that the kid that you have beef with? So let me give you the background story real quick while we go to our location. Basically, this kid did a diss track. This kid did a diss track behind my back, but it was all for jokes. So he basically did it for clout, right? Confirm it. Yeah.
What?
We're cool. We're friends. I wasn't lying to you guys. The diss track did happen behind my back, and I did not know about it until it was uploaded. It's over now. You know, we both got dreams. We both want to make it big. I destroyed him. That's a big fact. Make sure to check out the diss track. Always plug in. You know. So,
Yo, add my snap, guys.
Yo, it's gonna be right there. Sergio
Really?
Snap.
Oh shit, yeah. Sergio vlogs.
Yeah. Just link in the description.
Good one.
Yo, we got law enforcement in the cut.
Say that.
It's the law.
It's your boy Moose, switching it up from the GoPro back to the regular camera, and we got the boys out here. Yo, we're really about to do some crazy stuff. Man, what you know about that? Woohoo! Guys, I could barely open my eyes, like the snow is going in my eyes. Yeah! Woohoo! Ah! Really wild out there doing a donut around me. Yo, sir! Yo! Oh, shit. Oh, let's get it. Whew. Yes, sir! Yo, Moose Nation! Yo! I just ran away from the truck! They're really violating right now. Yeah, boy. Need a ride? Yo, Moose Nation! We out here! It is so cold! Yo, I don't even know if you guys can see me right now. I can't see you guys! Oh my god, guys, look at the snow. Oh my god. Yo! They really left me out here in the cold, man. I'm about to start watching my videos. I need some heat. Oh man, I'm having so much fun out here. I hope you guys are having fun too watching this. It is so cold. My hands are like literally freezing. Look, I got one glove on, off. I can't even speak right now. Look at this. Yeah.
just stay between the
Yo,
signs.
Basso doesn't even know if he's on the road or not.
Oh, Rusov, Manchka.
Is that him?
Look. What are you doing?
Stop.
Oh shit, what the? Oh, he's gonna crash. He's gonna crash.
Oh, he almost hit the pole.
Oh,
Yo, he popped the U. Yeah, that was smooth, low key.
yeah, that was not smooth because you almost killed that shit.
So the sign would have just went down.
Yo, drifted sideways.
Sergio tells Basso to drift, and he's like, "Yo, chill." Like, bro.
Whip it out. Oh shit, that's not cops over there. What is that? My mom's calling me right now.
Answer?
No. Yeah. I'm chilling. What are you doing?
Guys, the only reason Sergio answered is because his mom watches my videos, and he wants to make sure that she doesn't. I don't know. If you're watching this, like and subscribe. Moose Nation.
I was there before.
I just got in the whip with my boy Russo. Yo, the boy Jonathan in this shit too. Yo, we really wilding out right now. Yo, this guy, yo. Yeah, Russo. Yo, Moose Nation, Russo's car just overheated right here. Yo, my boy was really going crazy. Oh shit. Basso doesn't even know. She's still drifting over there. Russov's car just overheated because he was bugging out, doing donuts.
Great kills.
Yo, I got a mustache. Yo, Russo, how you feeling, bro? Yo, he's cleaning the headlights.
Headlights.
Yo, clean the headlights. I think that's what it is. Moose Nation, it's starting to become no joke. I cannot feel my hands. It is so crazy out here. Oh, that vlog life is no joke, man. We're really about it. Look at our hands. This is where we launched the boat in the summer. You can't even see like the walkway. Yo, guys, that was just so wild. Like, my hands are still numb. Like, I'm still stuck on how the whole thing, like the water where we launched the boat is like frozen. Like, I'm gonna roll a clip of how it is in the summer. Like, look at that. Yo, so we just got to the dock right now. Look at this. It's so beautiful. Like, that's crazy, boy. Like, that, all that is frozen. It's amazing, man. My boy Rusov doing some crazy shit. The car's okay. You know, it's not overheating right now. Oh, shit. Yeah, plow them streets, boy. Yeah. My boy started warming up right now. Yo, Moose in the car, what up?
Yeah, what up, kid?
Moose Nation, I'm Moose, he's Moose. You know how we
Your
rock
name's
it.
Mustafa.
Touch me,
His
pussy.
actual name is Moose, bro.
Sergio just found I missed it. Oh my god. Yo. Moose Nation, I'm out here on the dirt bike. I took it out and I got stuck under this bridge. Look, guys, I'm under like a train thing. I've been trying to turn it on. It turns on, but I think I ran out of gas, so I just called the boys up right now to come get me. They told me there might be cops coming down this way, so I'm kind of scared. Moose Station, it is so cold out here. Look, I'm so wet. I was driving it, but I couldn't record because it's so slippery. I fell twice. I mean, it's so crazy. I'm gonna try to turn it on. Stay tuned. But as of right now, I'm under this bridge, and the bike turns on, but it won't go. Every time I give it gas, it turns off. So the last thing you guys saw was me trying to turn that dirt bike on, right? Like 5 minutes after I finally got it to turn on, because it was turning on, and then it would turn back off. So I kept giving it gas, So much fumes came out, and then I finally got on, right? I went back to where I was with the boys, and then they were not there. They went to get gas. So I called them to meet up with them. I meet up with them, right? And then I lose them again because, like, on the dirt bike, it's so hard to drive it in the snow. Like, I kept slipping up, and, like, you know, you can't drive straight. Like, you're driving sideways the whole time. And I wasn't really able to show you that, which I'm really upset about. Like, I have the GoPro right here with me, but it was so hard for me to, like, record. So I'm definitely buying that mount thing you put on your head, so it makes the experience for you guys better. Anyway, so back to my story. They tell me they're on Highland, like on AutoZone. It's like a main street here in Staten Island where we're at. And I go there, and I slip, like I'm making a turn and I slip like right next to the gas station. So I get back on the bike, right, and I'm driving on the sidewalk, you know, because I'm scared like cops or something, I don't know, right? So I'm driving on the sidewalk and I get stuck in snow, like a big pile of snow. So now the snow is up to my kneecaps, my legs are like burning, they're numb. And it was so crazy, and I didn't get any of that footage, right? But it gets better. So then I get back on whatever. I'm going to AutoZone where they're at, and I'm making the right again on like a main street with like cars, and I slip, bro. Cars start honking at me. I'm trying to pick up the bike. It was crazy, and I did not get any of that on camera. I'm so mad. That's all right, but now I know for the footage that is gonna be dope, because all I drop is fire. I'm gonna have that mount on my head. Hey, I can't do it. I got the gloves on. Yeah, boy. Yeah, this is Sergio all the time.
Yeah, you go whip it.
Moose Nation, we just pulled up to IHOP right now. We literally came out all the way to Jersey to do this. No, I didn't. Once in Staten Island, we're all closed. I was so mad. We were all so mad.
This
we were
is
starving.
like really deep, guys. Like,
Yeah, like we're deep in Jersey. Like, yo, look at this IHOP. Let's get it. Oh, we're starving. Yo, the food just came. Hash brown, omelet. Bro, look at what my boy Sergio, bro, always getting something exotic. Look at that. That looks really good. My boy went out. All pancakes, all that. Ooh, that's good.
Wait, can I try it?
yo, this would be lit, right?
Oh, my toe.
Oh, we need something.
Oh, I think I broke my toe.
Yo, this is lit.
Oh, I think I broke my toe.
Yeah, nice socks.
Oh, thanks.
Stink ass, dirty ass. So we just pulled up to Walmart. We're trying to find a sled, but they don't have any. So we found like this piece of plastic that you could buy, and we were trying to see if we could we're trying to see if we could make it like a sled. Yo, it's a legit box.
You didn't hear that, did you?
Yeah, I did actually. I'm trying to play it off.
Yo, if you buy that, this
Don't
would be
touch
the
me.
link to it. They have two different prices. That's fucked up. They rape people. Yo, get the fuck out of here, bro. It smells like shit.
You're the one that farted. Boom. Bitch.
Come on, doggy, go. Go, doggy, go. Yeah, horsey. Yeah. Oh, cowboy style. Anything for the vlog. You just ran over the rope, you fat bitch.
Tell him to give me his phone.
Yeah, phone. Go. Easy, dude.
We out here.
Papa Yui. Fucking just hit the fucking curb. If I would have done that, bro, it would have been serious trouble. What are you doing? What are you, retarded? Fucking ruining my truck. Go. Go under it. Go under it. Oh shit, phone fell? What's wrong? Bro, I fucking hit a big ass curb. Stop it, you good, bro?
What type of horse? Adiba. Yeah. No, not yet.
Faster!
Go faster! Moose Nation, this is such a fail, but it's so much fun. I am freezing right now. I don't even know where we are, but this is lit. Yeah, sir. Sir, just like having like a hypothermia, like strike.
Come on, horse.
Yo, what is that? Sergio, what is it? Is your horse name?
Come on, horse. Green horse. Bring my sled, you fucking piece of shit.
Yeah, I'm sure Sergio's on drugs right now. Yo, that was actually the best take that we've done so far.
Yeah, watch out.
Yo, how's the bucket, bro?
Yeah, not going well.
Sergio said. Whoa. Oh, hit him with it. Yo. Arriba. Wait. Oh shit. Go. Go, don't stop. Yeah, no. Go. Watch out, careful. Go.
I'm really killing it right now. What's up, man?
Go. He's sorry. He's gonna call the cops on us.
Go!
I can't have a hold. One second. Oh shit. I'm serious. That was pretty quick. That was mad. You went like that, bro. Yeah?
Alright, do it again. Sergio, how you feeling, bro?
Cold.
Bro, we out here, bro.
Nah,
Yo, shit, bro.
what, bro?
Oh, he's done. Go get inside of it.
Oh, if I go like this? Oh!
Go. Oh my god! Woo! Go! Watch the car. Go. Who's doing it, baby? Ooh.
Got the bulldozer in the back type shit. Everyone having fun tonight. Yo, turn around. Make your legs straight. Yeah. Let go. Yeah. Yep. Hold on this. That two. Those two. Yeah.
Go fast. Guys, in the back it was so much harder. You guys have no idea. How did you guys do it?
It's mad easy.
No, it's not.
Your legs. You control with your legs.
I was like, I kept going like 360. That was lit.
Moose Nation, today was so much fun. It was so
I want
lit.
credit.
I told you guys it was gonna be lit. I told you it was gonna be fun, and it was just that. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you guys so much for showing love. Make sure to drop a like, show your boy Moose Nation some love, and don't forget to subscribe. Drop a comment, anything. Drop like a snow emoji. Drop something. It's your boy Moose
Yo,
Nation.
guys, you guys haven't watched the summer video of us going on the boat? Make sure to
Yeah, that was
watch
crazy,
that.
bro. I was
Put a
telling
link
you,
in the description.
bro. Yeah, link in the description, bro. You know the launch thing where we launched the boat, bro? That
Yeah.
was all frozen. I was telling them like how
yeah,
crazy that was.
on there. That's
We're driving. All right, guys, do it. We ready? Shoot.
Don't forget, like and subscribe. It's your boy, Moose Nation.
I missed it again.